Hello, Shaji from ETTech's Exhibition Center, and we are at stall Readmark. Let's visit the stall. I see many of them quite busy. However, let's hear it from them. What do they do, and how do they go about things? Hello, sir.
Hi, hello.
Shaji Mohan. We are from Careers GAN,
Hi.
and we would like to know about your stall. It says Readmark. Could you please introduce yourself and talk about your stall?
I'm Naresh Dubudu. Our company is Abhyas Heavy Technologies, and this is one of our products called Readmark. Okay, Readmark is basically a product that tells, parents, teachers are all the time worried about students being digitally occupied. They say digitally addicted and stuff. We want to say how do we convert the digital addiction into something more useful. So Readmark is basically the digital library where people can get to read from a lot of classic books to the modern books. Not just reading is like a Kindle, but idea is we have a lot of tech-built statistical engine that tells them what they're doing right, what they're not doing right, which things they're enjoying more, which things they're not enjoying. A lot of these data that will help teachers and parents to give a plan about the future. That's very useful. Second thing we also do is we also aid their vocabulary building through this.
Oh, great. So I understand that this is something like personalized reading experience for the students. Okay, it also gauges, right? It also gauges the reading ability of the kids. What age group children do you target?
We generally talk about anyone 10 plus. We talk about someone who is in the middle to high school, because we have a lot of reading that's anyway done for early schoolers, right? We have these comic books and stuff. But they read a lot of storybooks till the time they enter middle school, but the moment they enter middle school, we all force them into IIT and all that stuff. But they're leaving out their reading skill, which becomes a very important part of any aptitude, whether they do JEE, NEET or any other exams. I think aptitude crack karne ke liye this will help. That's why we have done this. And this is in a way we are also helping the schools. A lot of schools, particularly those middle tier schools, which are not able to give a high-end library to their students. Which is finding difficult. For example, you have to put together 1,000 book library. It will cost them few lakhs, right? Good library. But the idea is we are giving them a free digital library for the schools. The schools can have their branding also here. And what we are charging is only for the technology. We kind of have a nominal per student per year charge, which is like a registration charge. But schools get a benefit of their students experiencing customized library. And teachers and principals get an idea of what their students are doing. Yeah, that's the idea.
Well, sir, that sounds very promising for the kids. I'm sure the kids are going to install the app and get into an adventure of reading books. Sir, I also see something called Bone Saga Publication. So do you mind talking about
Sir,
it?
we basically, Readmark is a product of our team called Bone Saga. Bone Saga is our publishing division. We are part of our, like I said, the main company. We do a lot of different, things, right, within education. And Bone Saga is that team that publishes all our materials. We kind of continuously develop more and more books. We have regular, reading materials for various competitive exams like IIT, CAT, GRE, and a lot of these exams. So that's the stall that we are exhibiting our materials. We are also exhibiting our new app called Readmark.
Thank you so much for the bite, sir. I wish you all the very best.
Thanks.
Take care. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. That was from Readmark stall. Thank you.